What's up, everybody? What you see over here are two very large boxes. The tops of them are empty because I emptied some of them out, but I got 8 of those boxes from Wholesale Ninja, Amazon shelf pulls. We're just gonna see some of what's inside one of them. Check it out.
When you need someone you to talk to, I will be there to give you help. Please change your mind well easy. Negativity is not an option. When you need someone you to talk to, I will be there to give you help.
Before we get into today's video, I want to introduce you to our sponsor, My Reseller Genie. Here on DIY Dollar Bills, we talk a lot about software that could really help you in your reseller business. Not all of it's really necessary for you to carry on in your business, but this one is necessary. My Reseller Genie is software that helps you with your accounting for your reseller business. Account for unlimited selling platforms, have a complete accounting solution, manage your inventory and sales in one place, record your cost of goods, track your sales tax, track your cash flow, account for all of your other business expenses, and so much more. This is a very necessary tool for you with everything that the government is doing with the IRS. GoDaddy bookkeeping is gone, and QuickBooks can't really help you the way you need. This is the one solution that you must have for your reselling business. Try My Reseller Genie today. Sign up with the link below and get 30% off your first month. Make sure you use the code DIY Dollar Bills upon sign up to get that 30% off. Made by resellers for resellers. Again, try My Reseller Genie today. It's a must-have. Hey everyone, this is Gary D from DIY Dollar Bills, where I talk about selling online and e-commerce through mostly eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Poshmark to a smaller extent, and definitely Mercari. And what we're doing today is a little bit of not an unboxing. I got one box here, I got one back there. I got 8 of those very large boxes. Most of them were filled all the way to the top. 600 items, paid with shipping $11.70. I know it's $1.95 per item landed. I went to a Wholesale Ninjas and bought the Amazon shelf pull, and I bought a large amount just to see, wasn't expecting very expensive stuff. We went through them, see what kind of Christmas presents we're going to pull out to give to people. And there's nothing in there where you're going to go, oh my God, in any of the 8 boxes. So this is the first box we opened. That is the 8th box. The other 6 boxes are in the other bedroom over there. All right. And we're not going to go through, I'm not pulling out 600 items, but I just want you to show some of the items that are in there. And you make your own judgments to see if it's worth it or not. Okay. Let's start with, we're going to go through a few items from box number 1 and a few items from box number 8. 6 boxes were delivered yesterday, and 2 were delivered today, all by FedEx. All right. Now, maybe y'all can leave a comment, and besides give me a like and hit a subscribe. I got my Amazon gaming videos on my front page. Maybe you guys can answer some of this. This is some kind of silicone with these. I got a whole bunch of these, like 20 of these between all the boxes. I don't know what it's for. Some kind of game. I got one of these. I remember those pens. I remember these pens when I was a kid. The red, the black, the green. It's a notebook with one of those silicone things on there. I got to find out what these are for, because I got a lot of this stuff in the bags. Here, we got a book. Now, this is stuff for Amazon shelf pulls. So, Amazon shelf pulls are what they take from Amazon. Usually, buyers don't want to leave them there, and they give them, the person who sends it on Amazon FBA gives it away. It's possible I may send some of this stuff back to Amazon. I've done it before with 888 lots. The books for sure. I think I'm going to send the books back to Amazon if they're under 1 million or under 2 million ranking. I'm just going to send them back. I got a lot of books, by the way. I got about 20 books. This quarantine happy birthday with straws. Happy quarantine birthday. I got 20 of these. I'll put them together as one pack. Party supplies. I got a lot of party supplies. I got a lot of art stuff. Got a bunch of these wall chargers. Got 20 of these or so. A lot of these wall chargers. And like I said, some of this stuff is just like, it's $1.95 landed with shipping. I know the shipping to California for 4 ounce, which a lot of these items are under 4 ounces. It's $4.26 right now. You know, write that stuff on my board up there. $4.26 right now. So if I can sell most items for like $8, then I'll make a little bit of a profit. Most of this stuff I could package together and make a good thing. I only listed 5 of the items so far. There were Halloween items I want to get up. I got a couple more Halloween items on my piece over there. After I've done this video, I'm going to take pictures and send them up to Mercari and Facebook and eBay. More of this silicone toy stuff. This looks like a fidget spinner in here. You know, you see my other unboxing videos, I love this stuff. This is a fidget spinner. I know it's not a thing anymore, but I never really owned one of these. And it has these silicone things in cups in there. I gotta find out what's the fascination with those. Once I find that out, I'll be able to price everything accordingly. Alright, so there's fidget spinners and stuff in there. This is some kind of art, creative design type thing. Here, I have to describe it. Here's pictures on the back. You can make your own stuff with it. The box is kind of crushed, but it's sealed. I'm going to unseal it and take a look at it later. Some anime cloth stuff here. I got a whole bunch of these first day of stuff for kids or whatever. I guess you write on here. Made of metal. I got like 20 of those between all the cases. Here's another book. I got some books in Spanish too. What's this? Jump rope. I guess most of the stuff here, this is not job quitting chain stuff, but what it does, it fills my store up to about 1,000 items, which is where I want to start, and that will get me sales almost every day until I can go and find bigger stuff, or I can concentrate more on the Amazon side. But it gives me enough to do every day. List. I'm just gonna list 5 to 10 items a day consistently every single day for the next few months. I'm trying to find the more expensive stuff and list them now as we're in the 4th quarter. This is some kind of tablet cover. Gotta find out what tablet. There's some stuff in here that's worth, and I gotta throw out. You know, some here. This is. Oh, this is broken. It's for the headband thing for the hair, I guess, but stuff's coming off. That's trash. I got more of those first day of whatever things. LED colored light bulbs. I got 4 or 5 of those. Like I said, it's not impressive. Crafting. I got a lot of art stuff too. Whole lot of phone cases. That's what I sold on almost all my phone cases. I got a whole bunch more. There's fiber optic cable. Some cases. A lot of the cases are for the newer phones, iPhone 13 and 12, which is good. A couple of iPhone 6 cases. I'm not even gonna play that. I'm not wasting my time. They're trash. Here's an iPhone case. iPhone 12. It's an iPhone 12 case with little inside. iPhone 12 case. Excuse me. Gloves. Open up this bag here. There's some graduation stuff. Now some of the graduation balloons. There's graduation stuff in here that says 2022. And if it does, it's no good, right? So, investigate, take a look at those later. This is where I got a lot of these little wall chargers, 65 watt wall chargers. I got a lot of those. All right. Dog leashes, got a few of those. Screen protectors, phone stuff here. Trying to find anything unique. This is some kind of orthotic insoles, medical insoles. cards. Yeah, Jack and Jill playing cards. Like I said, they got a couple of these crimping tools. Got a few of those, three, I think 2 or 3 of those RJ45 crimping tools. If you don't know what they are, they're the RJ45s, I believe. These are the telephone or the network cables. You crimp the ends on. Let's see, watch bands. Probably just sell them all as a pack. Somebody could use them. Got some little Christmas ornament stuff here. I got like 4 or 5 of those. Sell them as a pack. Some of it I'm gonna sell, even though I'm going to lose money on the overall $1.95. This is some kind of says calming mask. There's a bunch of these in here. This might be a pretty good thing here. Another book called Honor Code. All right, let me pull this box here. This box is all right. A dining chair heightener. Put a little kit to sit on it. It's nice and soft, cushy. You know. Here. Some more of those silicone purses things. There. Glass protector. It doesn't even say what this is for. Oh, iPhone 12 Pro. It does say it right on the front. This could be surprisingly the most profitable thing in here. There's 5 of them. Hair weaves. Never sold them. Have no experience in them. Luna told me, I bet you're gonna find that you might get a few $100s for all of these. We'll see. I doubt it. I got a whole bunch of these Smarty Cat sweet greens. I got a lot of these, like 20. I like having multiple stuff. 20-piece rainbow. These are like, I don't know, some kind of party stuff. I got several of these webcams. Got a whole bunch of these little eyelash things here. Fake eyelashes. Anything else here? That's even worth showing. More phone cases. American flag. More interesting stuff was in that severance box. Don't know what this self-cleaning sticker brush for pets, I guess. Slicker brush. This is something for pets. USB fan. A lot of times I would price these out, but I'm not making a video doing that. Your eyes will glaze over. Furnace, vacuum tube, whatever. So a lot of these are going to take investigation. Now, I want to be honest with you. It takes time to list. And then adding on to that time is investigating when all you have is a slight tag of what it is. All right? Most of this stuff does not have a UPC code where you can instantly find what it is. They're Amazon shelf pulls, and the Amazon codes are no longer the Amazon codes are no longer there. I've looked some up. They're gone. It's blank when I bring it up. So what's going on here is I have to take time to do this. Yeah, I spent $1,000 between 8 boxes. I'm probably going to get 2. I'm probably going to make about $2,000 profit, but over a long period of time. So this is not like life-changing stuff. And I didn't figure it would be at $1.95. But I didn't want to fill my store over a long period of time looking for more expensive stuff when I want to concentrate really good on Amazon. All right. I reintroduced Poshmark back to my portfolio, and I've been listing all the stuff back on Poshmark and Facebook Marketplace. Had a sale on both of them really quick last week. And I want to introduce that back in. So everything that I can that's allowed to be sold on any of those 4 platforms are going back. I am going to start doing something a little different with Amazon and doing some stuff over the next few weeks that I'll probably master maybe after the holidays. It'll be good for next year. But that's what I wanted to do now, because this will be finally tell me at some point I may possibly stop altogether, maybe eBay or maybe Amazon. But I wanted to get one, so set it and forget it. List, I have the stuff, just list it and let it go. And that's what I wanted to do. So I finally have that done with eBay. I probably won't be buying much for eBay anymore now, at least not for the rest of the year. I will find some deals. I may buy one more package of stuff for eBay. It's going to be more expensive items, possibly. I'm not sure, but I do want to concentrate on Amazon. But in the meantime, while I'm doing that, I do have stuff. I do have a lot of work to do. Go through this stuff. I say pull the more expensive stuff and see what's up. In fact, why don't we look it up? The hair extensions while we have them. There's no UPC code. Expression Ultra Braid 1B. These are all the same. Where's my phone? Let's look this up. Let's see what's happening here. eBay. We'll just look up one item here. Go into the eBay app, and we're going to go X-Pressions. Expression. Let's just braiding here. No. Oh, jumbo premium ultra braid. Hold on. Braiding ultra braid 1B. Ain't worth much. It's all hundreds, tens of dollars. It ain't. So here's my opinion. If you want to go and get one of those items, you're better off buying probably the 1,000-piece items of the personal care products. This stuff I rate like a C minus. But it does I could rate it a D, but it serves a purpose for me of what I wanted to do. All right, just to start listing and getting stuff in the store without having to run around right now. Okay, so I could concentrate on what I'm gonna do about Amazon. All right. So that's it. This is Gary D for DIY Dollar Bills. Please leave a comment below and tell me what you think about Wholesale Ninjas. You've seen the past couple Wholesale Ninjas stuff I've done. Not impressed. Tell me if something that you would do. You're like, I did spend, like I said, I spent $1,100. I'll get the money back. I'll probably have most of the money back before the end of November, but still, it depends on how fast I list. All right. You guys have a great day. Peace.
When you need someone you to talk to, I will be there to give you help. Please change your mind, well easy. Negativity is not an option. When you need someone you to talk to,